Ever felt like you're running a marathon, but someone keeps moving the finish line? You're out there, nailing the job, providing top-notch service, and then crickets. When it comes to getting paid, it feels like chasing a ghost, right? You've sent the invoice, you've followed up, and still, the money's nowhere to be seen. Or worse, you're stuck dealing with clunky, outdated payment methods that leave you and your clients frustrated. Think about it. You're a pro. You're efficient. You're organized. But if your payment process is a mess, it undermines everything you do. It's like building a beautiful house on a shaky foundation. And in today's fast-paced world, where instant gratification is the norm, waiting weeks for payment is simply unacceptable. Now, imagine a world where getting paid is as smooth as your best service, where invoices are paid promptly, and you can focus on what you do best, growing your business. That's where Jobber comes in. And today, we're diving deep into exactly how you can set up payments on Jobber, transforming your cash flow and reclaiming your time. Before we jump into the technical stuff, let's understand why a streamlined payment process is so crucial. First, it's about professionalism. A seamless payment experience reflects positively on your business. It shows you're organized, reliable, and client-focused. Second, it's about cash flow. Consistent, timely payments are the lifeblood of any business. They allow you to cover expenses, invest in growth, and avoid those dreaded cash flow crunches. And third, it's about time. Time spent chasing payments is time wasted. Time that could be better spent on acquiring new clients, improving your services, or simply enjoying some well-deserved downtime. Jobber understands these challenges. It's designed to simplify your operations, and payments are a core part of that. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need to make sure you have a Jobber account. If you don't, head over to Jobber's website and sign up for a free trial. Once you're logged in, navigate to the settings section. You'll find it in the bottom left corner of your screen, indicated by a gear icon. Click on Settings and you'll see a list of options. Look for Jobber Payments. This is where the magic happens. Click on it. Now you'll be presented with a few options. Jobber integrates with a payment processor called Stripe. Stripe is a secure and reliable platform that handles online payments for businesses of all sizes. If you don't have a Stripe account, don't worry. Jobber will guide you through the process of creating one. Click on Connect with Stripe. You'll be redirected to Stripe's website. If you already have a Stripe account, simply log in. If not, click on Create your Stripe account. You'll need to provide some basic information about your business, such as your legal name, address, and bank account details. Stripe will verify your information, which may take a few minutes. Once your account is verified, you'll be redirected back to Jobber. You'll see a confirmation message that your Stripe account is now connected. Now that your Stripe account is connected, let's configure your payment settings. In the Jobber Payments section, you'll see several options. First, you'll want to enable online payments. This allows your clients to pay their invoices directly through the Jobber client portal. It's convenient for them and it gets you paid faster. Next, you'll want to configure your payment methods. Jobber allows you to accept credit and debit cards, as well as bank transfers, ACH. You can choose which payment methods you want to offer your clients. For credit and debit cards, you can enable card on file. This allows your clients to securely store their card details, making future payments even easier. You can also set up automatic payments. This feature is particularly useful for recurring services. You can automatically charge your clients' cards on a schedule, ensuring consistent cash flow. Now, let's talk about deposits. You can require clients to pay a deposit before work begins. This helps protect your business and ensures that you're compensated for your time and materials. In Jobber, you can set a default deposit amount or percentage, or you can require deposits on a per-job basis. Another important setting is tips. You can enable tips, allowing your clients to show their appreciation for your excellent service. This is a great way to boost your income and build client loyalty. Finally, you'll want to configure your payout settings. This determines how often you receive your payments from Stripe. You can choose to receive payouts daily, weekly, or monthly. Once you've configured your payment settings, it's time to test them out. Create a test invoice and try paying it using a test credit card. This will ensure that everything is working correctly. Now, let's talk about how your clients will pay their invoices. When you send an invoice through Jobber, your clients will receive an email with a link to the client portal. In the portal, they'll see their invoice and have the option to pay online. They can choose their preferred payment method, enter their payment details, and click Pay. Once the payment is processed, you'll receive a notification, and the invoice will be marked as paid in Jobber. Jobber also offers a mobile app, which allows you to accept payments on the go. This is particularly useful for field service businesses. You can take payments directly from your clients using your smartphone or tablet. In addition to online payments, Jobber also supports manual payments. This allows you to record payments that you receive outside of Jobber, such as cash or checks. This helps you keep track of all your payments in one place. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.